What is the difference between task, thread, and async, await in C#?
Sure, let me explain it the way I understand from real-world experience. So, imagine I have a task like uploading a large file or calling an external API. If I use a thread, I'm directly asking the system to create a new line of execution. It's like spinning up a new worker. But the problem is, threads are heavy. They consume more memory and are expensive to manage, especially if I spin up too many. Now, C# gives us a better abstraction with tasks. When I use a task, it's actually running in the background using something called the thread pool, which reuses threads. It's efficient. Tasks also make it easier to track completion and return values, which threads don't do easily. So, if I need to do some work in parallel and possibly wait for the result, I prefer using a task. Then comes async and await. These two keywords made my life much easier. They sit on top of tasks and make asynchronous programming clean and readable. When I write something like await some API call async function, it doesn't block the thread. Instead, the control returns to the caller, and once the operation is done, it continues from where it left off. This is super helpful in UI apps or web APIs where responsiveness matters. So in summary, I use thread when I need full control, task when I need a scalable way to do work in the background, and async, await when I want asynchronous code that's simple and clean to manage, and I usually combine async, await with tasks. That's how I differentiate and decide what to use.